What's up guys, in today's video we are going to learn about how to solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube in very simple and easy tricks. So let's start the video. This is Rubik's Cube 3x3. Rubik's Cube has 6 sides and each side has a different color. Before we're going to start the solving the cube, we want to know some basics. This is the centerpiece. Every side has centerpiece. Centerpiece never change its place. Okay, keep in mind, centerpiece never change its position. Then these 4 are edge pieces. Every side has 4 edge pieces. Each piece has 2 colors and 4 corners. 4 corner pieces. Corner pieces has 3 colors, just like this: blue, yellow and orange. Okay, this layer is right layer, this layer is left layer, this is front and this is back, this is up layer and this is down. Okay, so these are some basics of Rubik's Cube 3x3. Now we are going to start the solving the cube. First of all, we scramble this cube. Okay, now this cube is totally scrambled. Now we are going to solve this cube in just 7 steps. So first step is make a cross here. Make a cross or plus sign here on the first layer. Okay, so for that you have to choose your favorite color, just like I choose white color centerpiece. Then you have to find out the edge pieces containing the white color. Okay, so where do you find white color? Here is a white color. Okay, so you have to turn this side like this and you match first edge piece with centerpiece. Then the next side is here, so you have to just turn this. We match 2 edge pieces now. Now third white edge piece is here. So for that, if you turn like this is not going to match. So for that you have to turn this and match like this. So 3 edge pieces matched. Last one is here. So for that you have to put this edge piece on this side and turn this side like this, and so in this way we complete our first step, making a cross. Okay, you have to practice it. Then the next is, second step is match the edge pieces with center pieces. Okay, these 4, this is already matched, but nothing is matched. So this match 2 edge pieces. In first step, when we're going to match the edge pieces with centerpiece, we found 2 edge pieces match with centerpieces. Here are two types of pattern are there. So first is, in first type, edge piece and centerpiece, match side by side, and in the second pattern you find here and here. So in this case we find here and here. So do the same algorithm, put the cube like this, one side is here and another match side is back side. Okay, and do this algorithm: right, left, up, then two times, and in this way we match 4 edge pieces with center pieces. Okay, so this is the very simple and easy step. Then the third step, match the corner pieces. Match the corner pieces. For match the corner pieces, you have to find out the sides. This corner piece is white, containing white color, and blue and red color is there. So you put this corner piece in a red and blue corner piece position. Okay, red, blue, and here also red, blue, and white is here. Okay, so this is the perfect position for match the corner piece. Okay, so you have to do this algorithm. Okay, in this way we can easily match the corner piece on the perfect position. The next is here, blue and orange. So this is the perfect position for this corner piece. So do the simple algorithm, same as we do in the last corner piece, and we can easily match this also. Now find out the next corner piece containing white side. This here is white, so red and green. So you have to put this on the right position, red and green, and this is white. Okay, so now the position of the white color is here, so you have to do this for 2 or 3 times. Same algorithm. Do this is 1 time. Now do the same second, and now third. So in 3 moves we can match the corner pieces on the right. Okay, and the last one is green and orange. So you have to put this green and orange. Okay, and do this same algorithm. Okay, in this way we match all the corner pieces, edge pieces, and solve the first layer of the Rubik's cube. Okay, this is the very simple tricks. You do the very minimum moves to solve the first layer. Now it's time to solve the second layer. Okay, for solving the second layer, we start from match the downside layers, edge pieces with center piece. So this is first we match orange color centerpiece with edge piece. Now which color on the another side of this edge piece? Green. So keep in mind, if you have green color, then find out green color is this side or that side. Okay, the green color is on this side. Okay, so you have to do the algorithm and move the green color opposite side. Okay, and this algorithm you have to do. Okay, we can match this, and our corner piece is not on the position, so you have to turn the cube like this and do the algorithm like this. Okay, in this way we can match the second layer's edge piece with first layer corner piece. The same way you have to do the next edge piece, match with the blue, and what is the color on the opposite side? It's red. So red is here, so you have to move the down layer opposite side of the red and do this algorithm. Now again our corner piece is not on the right position, so you have to turn the cube like this and do the corner piece algorithm. Okay, in this way we match this side also with corner piece and edge piece. Then we have to find out third one. So match with the red. Here is a green, here is the green, so you have to put the green color opposite side and do this algorithm. Okay, now move the cube like this and do the corner piece algorithm. Okay, so in this way we match this edge piece with corner piece, edge piece with corner piece, edge piece with corner, just one remaining. Now we have to find out the next. There is a white color, we choose white color, opposite side is yellow color, so don't choose the edge piece containing with the yellow color. Okay, this piece is not going to help us, so this is not going to help us. So all the edge pieces are containing yellow color. So if you find this type of case, then you have to do this algorithm. Hold the cube like this where the corner and edge piece are not matched and do this algorithm. Okay, in this way the position of the corner piece is changed, so move the cube like this and join the corner piece. Okay, so now we can see this edge piece is helpful for us because it is not yellow color containing. Okay, so you have to match the blue color with edge piece with center piece and look the color. Here is a orange color is here, so you have to move this layer opposite side and do this algorithm. Okay, now again the corner piece is not on the position, so you have to do this trick for solving the corner position. Okay, so in this way we solve two layers, second layer of this cube also. We solve first layer, we solve second layer. Now is time to solve the third layer. Okay, in the third layer, when you are going to start the third layer solving, you have to hold the cube upside down like this. Okay, and see what is the case on this side. Here are three types of cases: dot case, L case and line case. You call this case also bar case. Okay, so three types of cases. Here we see the dot case is there, so for this you have to do this algorithm. Turn this. Okay, now again. Okay, this is the L case. Now we will change the case to dot case to L case. Now once again do the same algorithm. Okay, now the cube, the case we find bar or line case. Okay, so hold the cube like this in this horizontal position and do the same algorithm once again. In this way we make a cross here. Okay, now the next step is match the edge pieces with center pieces. Okay, so here you find two edge pieces match with the center pieces here and here, So you have to hold the cube like this. Match side is here right side and another match side is on the back side. Okay, so do the algorithm. In this way, if you do the one algorithm only, you easily match the edge pieces with center pieces. Okay, so it's a very easy step to match the edge pieces with center pieces. Okay, now the last step, we are in the last half of the solving the cube. For this you have to match the corner pieces. Now here this corner piece on the right position, red and green, so this corner piece is matched, and another three are not on the perfect position. How? Because here is a red, here is a blue, and here not red blue combination, here is orange. So you have to hold the cube, that corner piece is matched like this, and do this algorithm. Okay, in this way we can see that the cube corner piece is on the perfect position. Red, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. This is also on the perfect position. Blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, and this is also on the perfect position. When you complete this step, you have to hold the cube like this and move the cube upside down. The solid edge corner piece is put like this on this side, and do this algorithm to match the corner piece. Not matched. In this way we can see that the corner piece is matched. Green, orange, yellow. Okay, so when you match the corner piece, you have to turn this for one time. Okay, and this do the same algorithm once again. R U R U R U R U. In this way we match this color and this color and this color. Okay, so you have to turn this. Okay, now do the same algorithm. Okay, match this corner piece also. Now move the in this way we easily completed our Rubik's Cube 3x3. We solved this Rubik's Cube in a very easy and simple tricks. You never seen the simple step like this. You just need to practice these steps and you can easily solve this cube in under 1 minute, under 60 seconds. Okay, so this is the very easy tutorial for you or beginners. If you like today's video, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about Rubik's Cube, and if you can solve this Rubik's Cube with this help of this video, then you can share this video to your friends and family. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.